Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Reggae Ambassador and the founding member of legendary Jamaican band Third World, Michael Ibo Cooper, has passed away, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking news. Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. On the night of October 12, 2023, Jamaican musician educator Michael Ibo Cooper, who played a seminal role in the development of reggae music, helping to create the sunny, accessible rock-infused music the band called Third World, died peacefully in his St. Andrew home at the age of 71. His wife Joy passed away just 2 weeks earlier. His son Arif, as well-known music producer, DJ, broadcaster, had died suddenly in March. As a founding member of the keyboard player from the band, which was hugely popular in the 1960s and 70s, Cooper helped Third World develop the incomparable reggae fusion sound distinguished by elements of rock and soul. Prior to his involvement in Third World, he was a member of the well-known band Inner Circle, joining while still in his teen. Both bands enjoyed considerable longevity. Founded in the 1960s, they are both still recording and performing at this time. Third World celebrated its 50th anniversary this year. On sharing the news on his page, Cooper's family, Ibo was a humble and gave generously to everyone he encountered. Let us truly honor him by making the world better, a place for all mankind and future generations, because that was his mantra and he lived into perfection. Walker, a brother, good and great. God bless your eternal soul, K. Michael Ibo Cooper. Your music is the soundtrack of our lives. For our Third World drummer, Michael Stewart, post a long and heartfelt tribute, lauding his bandmate as a man who always remembered the importance of Africa, stood for unity, and always willing to help uplift our mind, soul, and spirit to a higher consciousness. Nothing short of a genius. A wizard on the keyboard, music arrangement, songwriter, producer, lyricist, engineer, musical director, percussionist, and a special human being who was sent in the world by the Most High to make it a better place. As we mourn a legendary Jamaican, a legendary human, a legendary wizard. As our Prime Minister Prime Minister Andrew Holness paid tribute to Cooper in a thread on X. I am deeply saddened at the news that one of Jamaica's most talented and prolific musicians, Michael Ibo Cooper, has passed. Ibo passed away at his home in St. Andrew in the evening of October 12, 2023. He was 71 years old. Minister of Culture Olivia Grange also shared her thoughts on Cooper's passing, describing him as a strong and constant force in the music industry, and explained that his music teaches the people. Opposition leader Mark Golden, meanwhile, remember Cooper as a maestro on the keyboard and a collaborative composer who helped to take Jamaican music to a higher level of sophistication during the time of playing the instruments. He appreciated and loved this artist, and the artist is also loved worldwide. Ibo, who also a man of idea with a passion of national development, he recognized the central role of music, a force of positive change, and was always looking for a way to achieve the entertainment industry. Born on January 14, 1952, in the rural town of Spaldings, Clarendon, Cooper grew up in a family of teachers and attended Jamaica College, a well-known uptown boy high school. He studied a at the University of West Indies in Kingston and joined Inner Circle at the age of 18. After the band split up, then reorganizing itself, he co-founded Third World with guitarist Stephen "Cat" Core. In 1973, they initially played in clubs around Kingston before being signed by Island Record. Third World's self-titled album as released in 1976 and including the cover, the Ambassador's Sata Masagana, which became a guitar hit in Jamaica. Now, at this time, they did a second album, 96 Degrees in the Shade. The band played at iconic Smile Jamaica concert in Kingston in 1976, headlined by Bob Marley and the Wailers. In the late 1970s, the early 80s, the band's success took off in the United States and worldwide. Following Bob Marley's death in 1981, Third World performed at Reggae Sunsplash with Stevie Wonder and wrote one of their major hits, Try Ja Love. After years of touring worldwide, Cooper left the band in 1997. But in 2004, interviewed with Jamaican poet Kwame Duaris in Final explained how he got his nickname. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning in. It's a sad situation here. Third World member Michael Ibo Cooper has passed away. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more happiness. Bless. Give thanks.